Hi everyone, you're welcome to today's tutorial, and I still remain your most wealthy shoemaking made easy tutor, Oturole Mojibala. Today I'm simply going to be showing us how to actually go about cutting on a straight line. I have found out a lot of people have challenges when it comes to trying to trim their pattern out on their upper. So when you're using your scissors, I'm going to be showing you the simple trick to cutting straight, whether you're cutting a straight strap or you are cutting a curved pattern. Now if you're watching my channel for the first time, I need you to know that all I do is make shoemaking as simple as possible through all of my simple tutorials on shoemaking. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Sit back, I'll be right. So I am basically going to be showing us how to cut this because I need you to learn how to hold your scissors and how to ensure you cut on a straight line. Now, by the time you hold your scissors, personally, when I outline the patterns like this, I try to get rid of my pen. I don't want my pen showing there, so most times I like to get rid of it because sometimes when you leave this pen, by the time you actually end up lining it, the blue pen begins to show, which is the reason why some people prefer to use the leather pen, which normally cleans off over time. So I'm going to be holding my scissors this way. You can see. Hold it down, continue to cut. Now you see that I'm almost through with the scissors. I can't keep cutting. Don't open it. Don't open. Don't open it. This is what you should do. Now let's say I continue to cut. Now I've already finished it. I can't continue. Instead of opening it like I showed you initially, press it on it, press it down there and continue. You understand? Press it on top of that same spot. Press it down there and continue. At the end of the day, it will cut a very smooth cut for you. Let's try again. What I mean is, don't cut like this. Don't cut like that. That's not how to cut. If you want to cut it on a straight, you want it to be straight and neat, immediately you start, pick it up this way, hold it down there and continue. Hold it down and continue. Hold it down and continue. I hope you understand. Let it still be at that same spot. So don't cut. That's not how to cut. Don't be cutting like this and be hope. No. It's a no. So I hope you get that. So that's the same process I'm going to be using for these other ones. This one too, you do the same thing. Now I will show you what happens when you get to this cuff area. Let me quickly do this. Can you see the way I'm going about this cuff? You need to learn to hold your scissors down there. You can see. It's a technique you must learn. So when you get to this side, this particular side, you see that I'm holding. Can you see that it's not falling down? That is what I mean by hold it down. Push it. Make sure it doesn't remove. Pull it there. Make sure it doesn't remove. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? Can you see that? Can you see that? So, as a beginner, please ensure you can see what it looks like. So please don't do that. Is what usually make it, unkept and untidy. So I hope that helps. All right, thank you for joining me today, and I am actually going to see you next time. I need you to know that our favorite class is still on, and this is part of what we are actually learning this particular weekend. You can still join the March class. The registration is on. Please let me know in the comment section if you'd like to join my community. Thank you once again. Bye.